hello, Sam. Hello, Sam. Oh my goodness. Good morning. Boop. Let me boop you. Boop. Boop, boop, boop. This is my first time vlogging on my new camera because I broke the last one and then I broke the one before that. But, you know, third time's a charm. Anyways, today I am hiking 8 miles to see this waterfall. I'm gonna go get ready, but I'll be back. Should I try like one of those transition things when they're like, whew, and then they appear in a totally different environment? I think I should do that. Wait. Here we go. I'm gonna do this one. I'm back. Here's the pants of the day. Look at how cool they are. Look at how cool. Isn't it cool? So for breakfast, I'm having this oatmeal, and the flavor is apple cinnamon pecan.
Did you spray your arms?
Yeah.
Honey, you gotta have, we're gonna be out there for like 4 hours. You'll get fried.
So we have arrived at our destination. Here's the look. We're registering in case we get lost in the wild. Is it bad that we've been walking for 5 minutes and I'm already tired? I got my pretzels. It's a fallen tree. It's okay. We'll find a way to get over this bad boy. I don't know if you can see it there, but there's the waterfalls, and that's where we're going. I was really tired, and then I saw the waterfalls, and I got all motivated. Let's see if we can zoom in. Oh yes, look at the beauty. Look at it shine, look at it shimmer. So gorgeous. So I don't know if you can see, but there's a nice big old waterfall behind me. I want to go explore closer to it, and I would bring you guys, but the thing is, I don't want to ruin another camera, so I'll see you later.